Do you wish you could be the present mom you've always wanted to be, but still need to provide an income for your family? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey friend, welcome to the Virtual Assistant Mama podcast. I know you're over there Googling jobs for moms, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to try to make quick money. Becoming a virtual assistant is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name is Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Mama, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up, working with clients who value you and pay you what you're worth, and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step. Are you ready? Here we go. Hey y'all, welcome back to the Virtual Assistant Mama podcast. Before we jump into today's episode, I just want to remind you that our free workshop is coming up next week on Thursday, September 28th. During this workshop, I'm going to be teaching you the 5 P's of becoming a successful virtual assistant. You'll find out where to find paying clients who actually value you, the top 3 mistakes that new virtual assistants make, what services you can offer, and what would be the best fit for you that would light you up to do every single day, and so much more. So go check it out and get registered at arianavernier.com/free-workshop. Or find the link in the show notes. I can't wait to see you there. Again, it's Thursday, September 28th at 6 p.m. If you can't make it live, you'll still get the replay as long as you're registered. So make sure to do that. All right, I recently had a question asking which virtual assistant services would be the best fit for teachers. So in today's episode, I'm just going to share 3 different VA services that I think are particularly well suited for teachers. The first one is curriculum development and or lesson planning. So as a teacher, obviously you have to be planning curriculum, lesson planning, figuring all of that out, how you're going to get your students from point A to point B. And obviously teachers are amazing at this. So as a virtual assistant, you can offer these services for other educational organizations or other teachers. And you can do this by creating engaging lesson plans for them, designing curriculum materials, aligning the educational content with learning objectives, and all those things. So your expertise in this area is so incredibly valuable to those that are needing teaching resources to help them in their classrooms. So you can definitely specialize in this. This is a great area for teachers. The second service that I think teachers are really good at is social media management. A lot of times teachers are very creative, which really translates well into social media management. As a social media manager, you need to come up with ideas, create graphics, record short fun videos, write written captions, and all those different things. So you get to use a lot of different creative components in your brain, and teachers are really good at bringing that all together into something that social media users can understand, that gets them to connect with whatever business you're working with, and that will hopefully lead them into buying your clients' products and services. The third service that I think teachers would make a great fit for as a virtual assistant is any type of content creation. Teachers are really exceptional at writing, at least I think the majority of them. So this makes content creation a really great fit for teachers to offer as a virtual assistant service. So as a content creator, you can help businesses write blog posts, articles, create instructional materials, ebooks. As teachers, we have this amazing ability to take complex concepts and make it really clear and engaging and walk the potential client or your client's potential clients through a whole journey so that they understand exactly what they need help with and they're more likely to buy the business's services, products, whatever it is. So if you love writing and you're a teacher, content creation would be a great service for you to start offering. Now, this is not, the only services that teachers can offer. This is just kind of the top 3 that I see as a really good fit. But there are seriously over 100 different virtual assistant services you can offer. And I'll be talking a lot more in depth on these in the free workshop next Thursday. So again, make sure you get registered for that. You can find the link in the show notes. But whether it's curriculum development, social media management, content creation, or something else that sounds fun to you, there are seriously so many opportunities for you to provide valuable services and really make an impact even outside of the classroom. So if you're no longer called to teaching, but you still want to make that impact, you can 100% do that as a virtual assistant. All right, y'all, I hope you found this episode helpful. Can't wait to see you in the free workshop next week. And as always, I love you so much, and we will see you in the next episode. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I would love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@virtualassistantmama.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my virtual assistant toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/virtual assistant mama. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you can be the present mama you've always wanted to be.